Welcome to MarineMax in Fort Myers. This is our 2020 Sea Ray 21 SPX. This particular boat has the new quantum blue gel coat on the sides, paired with a stone interior, which is also a new option. It's powered with a 150 Mercury 4-stroke outboard. We'll board the boat now. As you can see, it's got a nice big swim platform, very easy to get on. A one-level walk-through. You don't actually step down until you're all the way inside the boat. Great seating all around with plenty of storage. You can see you can fit a ton of stuff on here. Again, tons of room for a 21-foot boat. Carries its beam well forward. Great layout for friends and family. The dash has a SIMRAD built in that's connected to the engine, so you can get all your data in there as well. Fusion stereo, digital throttle and shift. If you'd like more information on this boat, please give us a call, 239-481-8200. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.